Good morning, students. In previous class, we have already discussed the selection statements. Means what are the selection statements in Python? Python's there are the three type of programming construct in Python. That is sequence, selections, and iterations. In sequence construct, we have already discussed that statements are executed line by line, and the selection construct means the statements are executed executions of statement depending upon the condition test. If the condition is evaluated to true, then the true part of the statements are executed. Otherwise, the false part of the statement executed. We have already discussed the various type of selection statement in Python. These are the simple if statements, various type of selection statement in Python. These are the simple if else, if, elif, else, simple if else, if else statements. We have already discussed that simple if statements. If else statements means if the condition is evaluated to true, then true part executed, otherwise the false part executed. We have already discussed the programs used in the if else statement. Today we will the more programs of if else statement will be discussed. Next is the if elif statements and the nested if statements. Now we will discuss the few programs based on the Python. First of all, I want to show you the programs that is, if you want to check the number is even or odd numbers. Means if you want to create a program that check if the entered number is even or odd. So we will do the programs using the spider ideally. So here we write the input statement. For input statements, we write the statement n equals to int input enter input. First of all, enter number. We have to check if the entered number, that is n, is even number or odd number. So we will first we use the simple if statement. Simple if statement. In simple if statements, we write the programs if n percentage 2 equals to 0. Means if this condition, this conditions means that if the number is divided by 2 and the remainder will be 0, then the given number will be the, already we know that if the number is divided by 2, then we say that the given number is even number. Even number. Now we will run this program. Enter number, suppose number is 48. 48 is even number. Again we write the program. Enter number, here we write 45. 45. 45 means if the condition is not satisfied, if this condition is not satisfied, that means no action will be performed because we have not written the else statement. So in simple statement work only on if true value. True value of if statement. No action will be performed if the condition evaluated to false. For this, we have to use the else statement. Means else statement, else print odd number. Now we run the program. Enter number, 44. Even number, again inter number, (47). Odd number means this type of statement is known as the if else statement. Now I will explain you the multiple if statement. Multiple means if condition, then statements, otherwise these conditions will be true, then this statement will be executed, otherwise this condition will be true if this statement will be executed. Suppose you want to enter a number n. Now you want to check that if the given number is positive number, negative number or zero. For this we use multiple if statements, means if, elif, else. So first of all we enter the value n, then we check if n is greater than 0. Then if n is greater than 0, first statement is if n is greater than 0. If n is greater than 0. Statement means print n is positive number. Again L if n is less than 0. If n is less than 0, print n is negative number. If these two conditions not satisfy, then last condition is else, print n is 0. Let's run the program. If n is greater than 0, it is positive number. If it is negative number, else it is a 0. Using the if elif statement. Suppose we enter 78. 78 is positive number. Suppose we enter minus 47. Minus 47 is negative number. Again, suppose we enter 0. 0 is 0. Means here we have written the program using the if elif statements. Means today we have discussed if simple if statements, if else statements, if elif statements. In next class we will discuss more program using the if statements. Okay students, thank you. Bye bye.